Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make paneer momos. Lot of people think that veg momos don't taste that good, but I am here to prove them wrong. These taste absolutely delicious. First we'll make the filling. Add some oil to a pan and let it heat up for a bit. Add finely chopped onions. I have taken 2 onions here. When the onions are cooked a little bit, add finely chopped capsicum. I have used half a capsicum here. Then add a grated carrot to it. I think grating the carrot is better rather than chopping it, because it reduces the bite of the carrot and makes it more tasty. Then I have added a little bit of corn. You can skip this if you want. Mix it up a little bit. Then add 200 grams of paneer. The paneer is grated as well. After mixing all of the vegetables, add tomato sauce. Add good amount of tomato sauce, then add at least 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of Szechuan sauce or chili sauce. Mix all of them properly. Add salt to taste. Now I've also added some spring onion greens. If you don't have it, you can skip it. Add a little bit of black pepper and mix all of the ingredients properly. And we have our paneer filling. Now let it rest for a while and we'll start making the dough. Take 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida and add salt to taste. Then take some water and start making the dough. This is just a normal dough, but it has to be a little soft. You can see the dough should be soft like this. Now divide the dough into equal sized small spheres. Now sprinkle some flour onto your surface and roll the dough. Also add some flour on top of your dough. Then roll out the dough as thinly as possible. Now use a bowl to cut out a circle. By using the bowl, we can get equal sized circles, so we will get equal sized momos. Now add some part of the filling. Make sure that you don't add a lot of filling, or else it will come out of the dough. Now momos can be made in different shapes. To make this shape, just fold one side of the dough and then press it down to the other side. Press it carefully so that the filling does not come out in any way. Once you make the momos, put it on a wet cloth and cover them. For steaming, coat a strainer with oil and put the momos on top. Now put the strainer on top of a pot filled 1/4 with water. Now cover the strainer and steam the momos for 15 to 20 minutes in low flame. Now the momos are finally cooked and they have a lovely color. I have sprinkled some spring onion greens on top. Enjoy. And if you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.